What's wrong? What's the matter? Are you pooping? I think you might be constipated. Okay. What's the matter?
Today I'm explaining why there's a hole in my wall. Yep. Man, can you record properly? It's not that hard. Like, come on. Hey, was it testing?
Okay, Freddie, I have something to tell you. So, I've never told you my name, and my name is Shiva. Did you know that? Wow.
Do you see a bird? You see a birdie?
I know that you are fine, bro. I know that you're. Are you kidding?
Mr. Bombastic, Bomba Fantastic.
Whatever that is. Let's fuel up with some chunky soup.
Morning. Oh, did you hear that?
Just a bit too light.
Her şeye kafanı sokarsan. Baby cat, did you get a mouse?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Huh?
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
There's Frank. You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
領域展開ヘビシャー
How long do you usually do this for? Am I doing it right? Okay, sorry. I'll go faster.
face you make when someone you don't like walks into the room.
Crazy.
Uy, çat. Kırgızmışım çatlaydı.
This is what a cat looks like in the UK.
Kaya! She can't find it.
Look. Hey, look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
No.
Keep living in fear of you. We adopted you. You hadn't got a home, you've no mother, you've no father. We took you in here and you're cutting the face off us.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus.
Hands in the air right now! Right now! Don't move! Don't move.
Lee. What are you doing?
That were conveniently gathered up and shared by Chantelli and Teresa on Twitter. Here are those clips. Holy crap.
Fucking cool.
Meow.
All right, here's my cat. Do the thing, you know, with the likes and the shares, and make my cat famous.
Hoy en día los trapos ya son para la gente anticuada y uso los gatos como para limpiar o quitar polvo de los vidrios porque es más sencillo y más práctico.
There we go. All right.
That one's not even playing. So, okay.
V, deine Katze hat ihre 5 Minuten.
It's Miranda time! Direttamente da Vienna. No vabbè. La soccer. Torta.
Continua. O braço esticado, a pata.
This is not okay. No, shh, go. I don't want those kind of presents. Stop it.
Anneciğim. Annem. Güzel kızım.
Sen ne yapıyorsun orada?
Aşkım.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten?
What? Is that good? No. Okay. How about that? Pumpkin? Peach? Pumpkin, what's wrong?
Can I do this? Can I sweat on it real quick? Thank you. It's gonna be fast. I'm getting old. Hey!
Would you be my Valentine, Kermit?
Good morning. Aren't you adorable this morning? Hi, Flynn. Hi, sweetheart. Aww.
I believe that the heart does go on.
You got it. Put in it.
Okay.
I broke my arm and my cat will not stop purring and laying on my cast.
No! No! Hey! That's my burrito, and now you put holes in it. Hey! Oh my god!
Need this piece here. Any luck?
Oh, darling, do you want to say Happy Valentine's Day to everyone? Hmm? What the?
On the butt, pat, 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 patting on the butt, pat, 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 patting on the butt, pat, 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 pat.
And yoink. Come.
你是个小狗。
你有过猫的温柔吗？有过撒娇吗？会叫妈妈吗？看得出门是怎么开的吗？你会干家务吗？世上有人爱你，情愿为你偷小鱼干吗？有吗
？This is what happens to bad kitties.
不好意思，笑太大声了。
What are you doing, Butters? You pretending to chew those flowers?
You know exactly what I'm doing.
Because you're not allowed to actually chew them?
Munches.
You know you're not allowed on the counter. Get down. Hey, get down. You jerk.
Gosh, freaking goodness. Wow, you are not making good choice.
Hey, can I get an iced Anastasia with whipped cream? Sorry, it's your first day.
Hi, TJ.
Bacım, 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 gül yüzlü bacım, bacım, bacım.
Shake. Up high. Down low. Oh, you like a fist bump. I'm sorry.
Who argued with Azam moments before he was stabbed, was behind the attack. He agrees to the interview.
Oye, hijo el pico. Hijo el pico. Oye. ¡Ah, conchetumare!